Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to insert hyperlinks in your PowerPoint presentation. And trust me, it's very easy, it's not complicated. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end to learn how to do it. At first, let's type something here. Let's say sup for Dr. Niki, like this. And let's say we wanna highlight his name, and every time when we click on his name, that to lead us to his YouTube channel. How to do it? So first, highlight his name like this, and then go and insert from here in this menu, and I'll click on hyperlink from here. So here you just need to copy the URL of his YouTube channel. So let's go in our browser and let's search the URL of his channel. Let's say Dr. Niki, like this. Wait, click on his channel. And I forgot to tell you, that's for example. You can copy every URL that you want to copy, and just copy it and pass it here in address and click OK. And now it may not work if you're looking like this. I mean, it looks like it's not working, but when we start the slideshow from here, or we can press F5 on our keyboard when we start the slideshow, every time when we hold our mouse on his name, as you can see, it appears this link, and when we click on his name, that leads us to his YouTube channel. So yeah guys, that was how to insert hyperlinks on your PowerPoint presentation. And I told you it wasn't complicated, it was easy. And yeah, if I helped you out, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you have some questions, if you have some problems, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. So yep, see you next video. Bye.